So we're going to change the cabin filter on a Mark III Skoda Fabia. So go to the passenger side and then go underneath the glove compartment, and then you'll see this. What you do is you slide this into the centre of it until it stops, and then further forward you have another one that you do the same to, and then this piece will come down like that, and just put that to the side. Then you've got the filter here, which just slide it down and out, and then get your new filter. Then get your new filter, and then just start sliding it in. Once you've got it in like that, then get the cover, slide that up until it suits into place properly. So now slide that back and do the same with the front one, and then that's in properly and you're done. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.